welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing all well. So today in this video I'm going to share with you guys some very easy and fun tips and tricks in remembering the articles of the Constitution of India. If you guys are new to my channel, hi, I am Pooja and welcome to the Indian Law School. I would like to say that I have got this tip and tricks from obviously some other YouTube videos, but I cannot find it because I cannot remember. Hope I could just give the link down below in the description box. But I watched that video so long back that I really do not remember the name of the YouTuber and everything. But if I can find it, maybe later I will just link it down below in the description box, so if you guys can check that video too. And I have also made some other videos regarding tips and tricks, some regarding some other subjects like limitation or bare acts and other stuff. So I'm going to link them in the description box or in the eye icon. So make sure that you check them out if you want to. And if you are new, please make sure that you have subscribed to my channel. Press the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a video. Without further ado, let's get started with today's topic. So obviously Constitution of India is one of the most difficult subject to remember and the worst one to complete the syllabus, like before the exam and everything. It's so vast that and so difficult to remember that you don't feel like studying. So I have come up with some, not solely like not purely I've come up with all these ideas, but I am influenced and I'm influenced by some other YouTuber, but some of the ideas in this obviously is mine. So, and like I've given examination for 3 times now, so I know what portions are important and everything. So some ideas are my own and some ideas are influenced by some YouTuber whose video I've watched long back. Like I've already said that, but anyways, let's just start. So the articles in Constitution, there are like total number of articles are 448 and they are divided in 25 parts. So but all 25 parts, if you're going to study all 25 parts, you're never going to finish the syllabus. So I have divided into the important parts and the not important parts. So 12 articles are very important and 13 articles, 13 parts, remaining 13 parts are not at all important. So what I have done, I have divided the 12 parts that I have been talking about. I have mentioned 15 articles, so 15 parts over here, but 12 parts are most important. So I have just made a chart kind of thing, like the parts, topic and articles. So part 1 is obviously Union and Territories 1 to 4. Part 2, Citizenship 5 to 11. 3, Fundamental Rights 12 to 35. Part 4, Directive Principles 36 to 51. Part 4A, Fundamental Duties 51A. Part 5, the Union 52 to 151. 6, so the State 152 to 237. Part 7 is not in the, it has been repealed. So Part 8, the Union Territories 239 to 242. Part 9, Panchayat 243 to 243O. Part 10A, Municipality 230P to 243G, 243P to 243G, and Part 10B, the Cooperative Society 243H to 243T. So in this page, the important parts are obviously Part 2 to Part 6. It's very important. So Part 3, Part 4 and Part 4A forms one set. Like if you study Part 4, you have to study Part 4A and 3 because they are correlated and they form one topic. So this is set 1. Similarly, the Union and State forms set 2. It is also very important. So in Union you have to study about the President, the Prime Minister, the and in the State you have to study about the Governor, the Chief Minister, this kind of thing. That's the difference, but they form the second set. The third set is obviously the Panchayat, the Municipality and the Cooperative Society, among which the Panchayat and the Municipality is actually the important portions. The Cooperative Society is not that important, you just can go through it, but this forms the third set. Now next come to Part 10, Schedule and Tribal Areas. Obviously this portion deals with the SC, ST and the quota system of India. Part 11, relation between union and state. It is not very important, but part 11 is very important. 245 to 263. 12 is not that important. Finance and property, 264 to 300A. 13, trade, commerce and intercourse. Part 14, services under union and states. It is also very not important. Part 14A, tribunals. These portions are not that all important. You just have to, if you want only, you can go through these portions. It's not at all needed. Part 15 is very important. Again, election, to 324 to 329A. Part 6, special provisions regarding certain cases, 330 to 342. Part 18 is official language, 343 to 351. This portion is again very important, like from part 15 to part 18. So did I say part 18? Sorry, part 17 is official language, part 18 is emergency provisions, 352 to 360. These two are not that important. Now the most important and the most interesting part comes, like how you are going to remember these articles. It's not that easy. So I have come up with a sentence which can make you remember these articles and how they come serially very easily. So the sentence you have to remember, like I have written the letters in capital, they represent one particular part of the constitution, one set of articles. You can fly directly from USA using paramilitary special rockets. This is a very simple and easy sentence to remember. You can fly directly from USA using paramilitary special rockets. So if you study it if you read it once, you are going to remember this sentence. So the letters that actually represent the articles, I have written them in capital, like U, C, F, D, F, U, S, U, P, M, S, R. So these are the 12 articles that you actually have to remember. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So U is for obviously union, which is under article 1 to 4. Citizenship, 5 to 11. So this way it just goes. F for fundamental rights, D for dietetic principles, F for fundamental duties, U for the union, S for the states, U for union territories, P for panchayat, M for municipality, S for schedule and tribal areas, R for relation. So these are the 12 articles you have to remember, and this is the easiest way you can remember. So I do not have anything for this portion. You just have to try your best for this portion, but the rest, the first 12 articles, I've tried to make it as easy as possible. So you have to remember, you can remember it like this way. And hope you liked it, and if you have liked, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you have liked what I have said, and share my video, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a video. And I love you guys. Take care of yourself till I see you guys next time. Bye bye.